For immediate assistance, please call 606-329-8777. Rare find. Here is a one-owner 2010 GMC Sierra Crew Cab with only 40k miles. What makes this truck unique is the white exterior and the enclosed tonneau cover with spray-on bed liner. This truck is fully loaded and ready to go with 6-inch chrome running boards, adjustable foot pedals, rear parking assist, and leather seats. This one-owner Sierra is a smoke-free unit and the Carfax clearly shows the service records. The Carfax also states a clean title with no accidents. Fully loaded and ready to go, price a real bargain. Enjoy the space inside of this reliable pickup truck as you travel with your family in quality and confidence. Buy with confidence. Every one of our vehicles pass an extensive inspection process and a full disclosure Carfax. All vehicles either receive the balance of the factory warranty or a 90-day 3k mile powertrain warranty if 10 years or newer and under 100k miles. Don Hall GM Supercenter has been proudly serving the tri-state area for over 80 years. Internet sale price, selection and service. Don Hall GM Supercenter customers know we only offer the best of all three. Don Hall has it all.